Whoa! That'll make your belly go in your throat. New home heating fan device.
Yeah.
Move that unwanted stale air around in your home.
Yeah.
I can feel it drafting beside me going down the hall, blowing air like an attic fan.
Yeah.
Whoa, backed her right in there. We're gonna put it in the garage tonight.
I think I can hover it if I can get a bigger space now. I think I'm just about got it. I just don't have enough room to correct my mistakes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I have to shut it down every time I make a little.
If you had a front yard, you could just.
Oh, he's got a front yard.
See, it's in the prop wash. It's the float off too.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's kind of deeking it around. Hey.